If you are working in Final Cut Pro to create your videos for YouTube or so many other platforms, so you need to export for three things. One is import, the other is edit the video, and finally is export or share the video. So let's see how we can be master with these things very easy way. So this is the Final Cut Pro. I already opened, and once I open, now first we need to import the video or clips or images or image. So let's see how we can do this thing. So this is my video folder, so I'm going to import this video. For example, this is the first step. I'm going to drag and drop it inside the timeline, and we need to drop it here, and very shortly it will be imported. And that's how stage first is completed, just to import. Now stage 2, that is to edit the video. Suppose I want to make the video, I want to cut the video like this. For example, this part I need to cut. So here I can cut different ways by holding command key and B for means blade. And for example, I want to create a small shot like 5 seconds or 4 seconds, then again control B. I just cut this thing, and then I'm going to delete this thing. There are lots of editing feature you can do, but I'm showing you the three things which you must need. So we imported, we modified or edited the video clip, and now finally it's time to export or share. To share, we just need to click here, and then we have to choose the format. There are different formats are there. You can choose any format based on your own choice, and then you need to export. And finally you just need to type the file name, and you just need to click next, and finally it will ask you like save as the file name and the location, and click save, and it will be saved very shortly. And that's it. These are the 3 pro features of Final Cut Pro you must need to be expert before creating any video or editing any video or exporting any video from your Final Cut Pro.